Peter Hanecak. I'm an IT consultant and software developer, and my role on the project is technical lead, being responsible for architecture, design and implementation of the publication platform Open Data Node. Open data is for me the main enabler to participate more in the things which are running around us in our country, in the world. So if I want to participate more often than just on elections every 4 years, I need information to collaborate properly with local municipality, with the central government. So open data is the key to get this information. Open Data Node is essentially integrated solutions putting together various individual tools which do some particular tasks which are needed for publication of open data. So what we do right now is putting them together into one unified package which can be easily installed and easily used by, let's say, public bodies, for example, but even maybe businesses and NGOs. I think the main added value is this integration and ease of use, because if you are faced with installation of all these particular existing tools, you spend quite a lot of time on that, putting them on your computer, on your server, then getting them to work together, familiarize yourself with all the tools. So Comsode will do that for you essentially, and also give you some additional documentation so that you can familiarize yourself with all the tools much quicker. Well, for me, it mainly means working on open data. That's the main goal for me. There are actually 2 pilots right now, or 3 maybe, but the 2 I'm most involved with is Slovak Environmental Agency and Slovak National Library. Slovak National Library is essentially a smaller pilot. They are actually using it to experiment with open data and to familiarize themselves with the publication of open data, first of all for general public, and then second in a linked data format for the more experienced audience. So the pilot right now is looking for ways how to publish information about the works collected at the National Library and how to get this information published in a usable way as open data. Second pilot for the Slovak Environmental Agency is much more bigger, because it's not just about publication of data, but we are exploring also ways how to visualize this data for the users, as this is mostly geodata, meaning information relevant to some concrete places or areas. These visualizations usually occur on maps. So what we are investigating is ways how to publish this as open data, information about, let's say, protected areas, environmental burdens, and so on. And then also visualizing them on the map so that people can actually see what the data is, where it is.